Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. So ADA is currently grinding higher and forming this pattern that we wanted it to play out, basically in an upside breakout. So we're going to take a look at that on the smaller time frame. Here on the larger time frame, we're still in a range, but things are going quite well. We're approaching this next key resistance level around 87 cents, which we talked about over the last few days. This level seems to act like a magnet, and the market is currently approaching this level. And the bearish triangle pattern, which I don't prefer really until we break below key support levels, but this level, if we take out this 87 cent level, it will remove the yellow, it will invalidate the yellow count, the yellow scenario as it is on the chart. So I can call the yellow scenario for now an alternative scenario, which would be a triangle pattern, but the bearish one. So A, B, C, and the B wave is the triangle A, B, C, D, E. But the E wave must not go above the C wave high. So that would be invalidation, at least for the micro count of the bearish triangle. Doesn't rule out a bearish option, but for now the focus is on higher, especially as long as we are holding above the relevant micro support levels, which I am tracking really on the smaller time frame. So there are some levels, on the micro levels, on the micro time frames, that we are watching and have been watching. And these levels on the smallest time frames, they tell us a lot about what the current trend is doing. So ADA is still pushing and entered a pullback zone. So lots of altcoins in these pullbacks are still entering support zones. So I hope everybody's finding their positions. I mean, depending on how you trade this, right? Many people are already positioned. Some might have bought the lows here around this important support levels, and others have bought in this larger support area back in November, for example. Again, everybody's got a unique approach here, but from a structural point of view, we are still in a potential uptrend, and the white scenario is still what I'd like to see, actually. A little bit further upside here, which should take us above the December high, and then the $1.70 to $2.30 area would actually be ideal. We'll see how far it gets, because once Bitcoin puts a top in place, altcoins are gonna stop running. Okay, that's my take. But for now, it's going well. I mean, it seems like ADA is pushing exactly as we wanted it. So let us take a look at the smaller time frame for ADA, and ADA is, broke out to the expected direction here. Now, the thing is, I was tracking this as a triangle on the nano level, so it was not a triangle, because this shouldn't have been a higher high. But that is really just a nano structure here. The support area held, that's really what it's about. We want the prices to get into these support areas. Ideally, in a fourth wave, reach the 38.2 retracement, which ADA did, perfectly. Thanks for behaving. And now we are moving up in a fifth wave. And again, that fifth wave should be a 5-wave move itself. We'll see how it develops, but it could be a 1, 2. Is it another 1, 2? I mean, we'll see how it develops. What I'm doing at the moment, I share micro support. So for very, very direct upside trend continuation, the market should hold above 78 cents. That is really just the nearest Fibonacci support area for this bit. Breaking below this doesn't mean much. It just means that the direct upside extension, which is currently very aggressive, like from a breakout, right, that this is likely over, and we might have started wave 4 by then, So for now, I leave everything as it is, highlight again that 87 cents is next resistance, and then this yellow trend line. Where does this come from? Going back to the larger time frame here, trend line. Let me just double check that. I think it comes in at a different angle now. Slightly. Okay, so it's currently coming in at around $1. The $1 level is also psychological resistance, right? So that kind of works out well. So we've got resistance around 87 cents and then $1. Definitely worth watching, paying attention to. And for now, the focus is on higher prices, especially as long as we are holding above 78 cents. What I'll do later throughout the day, I will probably, when we have enough price data, adjust this support area to reflect what is support for the larger degree fourth wave for ADA. Okay, I'll do that. In our membership, you do have access to our live chart, so you'll see that. But overall, it won't be much different. Just want to have a little bit more price data and clarity what's going on here. But for now, seems like we're approaching the 87 cent level. Things are going well. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure to follow us on X for additional updates. You can come over here, ask questions, join the community, check it out. We build a community here as well. And yeah, see you over there. I'll post a link to our X profile in the description and the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.